For most of human history, we believed the solar system was finished. The sun at the center, 8 planets orbiting it, asteroids, comets, and distant icy debris surrounding them. A complete family. But in the cold darkness far beyond Neptune, astronomers have discovered something unsettling. Hundreds of distant objects, frozen worlds made of rock and ice, are not moving randomly. They are being pulled, not by Neptune, not by the sun, but by something we cannot see. And according to modern calculations, that invisible object may be a massive hidden planet, a world up to 10 times the mass of Earth, orbiting so far away that sunlight barely reaches it. A planet inside our own solar system that no telescope has ever clearly observed. Today, we're going to travel to the outermost edge understood by astronomy and investigate one of the greatest mysteries in modern science. Have we already discovered Planet 9 without realizing it? Beyond Neptune lies a region called the Kuiper Belt. It is not empty space. It is a graveyard of planetary leftovers, icy bodies that never became planets. Pluto lives here. So do thousands of smaller objects. These are known as trans-Neptunian objects, or TNOs. For decades, astronomers mapped their orbits expecting randomness. Instead, they found a pattern. Many of these distant objects have elongated orbits that all tilt in the same direction. Imagine throwing hundreds of marbles across a floor and every single one curves the same way. That should be impossible, unless something massive is controlling them. In 2016, astronomers Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown studied several of these objects in detail. They discovered the probability of those aligned orbits happening by chance was less than 0.0001%. In science, that is essentially impossible. Their conclusion was shocking. The only explanation that fit the math was a hidden planet, a gravitational shepherd guiding the orbits of distant worlds. They named it Planet 9. What Planet 9 might be? If it exists, Planet 9 would not look like Earth. It would likely be an ice giant similar to Neptune. Mass 5 to 10 Earths. Orbit distance up to 1,000 AU. 1 AU is the Earth-Sun distance. At that distance, sunlight is 40,000 times weaker than on Earth. The sky would never turn blue. No sunrise, no sunset, only eternal twilight under a dim red sun. A year on Planet 9 would last 10,000 to 20,000 Earth years. Civilizations on Earth would rise and fall before it completed a single orbit. Why we can't see it? You might wonder, if it's a planet, why haven't we photographed it? The answer is distance and light. Planets are visible because they reflect sunlight, but brightness decreases dramatically with distance, not by the square, but by the 4th power when reflecting light. So even a Neptune-sized world that far away would appear dimmer than a faint star. To telescopes on Earth, Planet 9 would look like a slow-moving pixel, easily overlooked. Searching using infrared, astronomers realized visible light might not work, so they changed strategy. Instead of reflected light, they searched for heat. Even cold planets still emit infrared radiation. Scientists analyzed data from 2 old space missions, the IRIS satellite in 1983 and the Akari telescope in 2006. Separated by 23 years. They looked for objects that had moved slightly between the surveys, exactly how a distant planet should behave. From millions of signals, Only a handful of candidates remained, and one stood out. A faint infrared object had shifted position exactly as predicted. It may be the first possible image of Planet 9, but confirmation requires better instruments. The Vera Rubin Observatory. The most powerful search tool is now beginning operations, the Vera Rubin Observatory. It has the largest astronomical camera ever built, 3.2 gigapixels. Every few nights, it will scan the entire sky. It can detect objects 100 times dimmer than previous surveys. If Planet 9 exists, this telescope should find it. Within a few years, we may finally know. Alternative explanations. But Planet 9 is not the only possibility. Some scientists believe the strange orbits may be caused by a massive disk of small objects, a passing star long ago, or even a tiny primordial black hole. Yes, one theory suggests our solar system may have captured a black hole the size of a football, invisible but gravitationally powerful. Others propose something even radical. Perhaps our understanding of gravity itself is incomplete. If gravity behaves differently at extreme distances, no planet is needed at all. Why this matters? This mystery is bigger than one planet. Finding Planet 9 would mean our solar system is not fully mapped. Even after centuries of astronomy, we missed an entire world. It would change how planets form, how solar systems evolve, and how common hidden planets may be around other stars. It would also mean something profound. Our cosmic neighborhood is still unknown. In conclusion, right now, somewhere in the darkness beyond Neptune, either a giant planet is slowly circling the sun, or our understanding of physics is wrong. The data is real. The gravitational pull is measurable. Something is there. We just don't know what. And very soon, humanity may finally see the 9th planet, or reveal a completely new law of nature. The search continues, and very soon, humanity may finally see the 9th planet.